The artifact I decided to use for the technology proficiency assignment is from superteachertools.com. In Chapter 5 of our book, Jeopardy was used as an example. I decided to move away from Jeopardy and use Who Wants to Be a Millionaire instead. Jeopardy would be great for a whole group, but Who Wants to Be a Millionaire would be great for individual students. I decided to create a SOL review game, which consists of 15 questions. Students can use this for the SOL review, or they can use it for a benchmark review. The goal is to have students play the game individually. The way they will play this game individually is by me inserting it into Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a technology feature that I use often in my classroom. So what I would do is, after creating the game, I would go here to share it with Google Classroom. I would choose one of my classes, and I would choose Create Assignment. Then I will type instructions here for my students. Then I will assign it. All right. Now, students who are enrolled in this particular class will be able to see the assignment here. The instructions are right here. It says, use this as a study tool for the upcoming benchmark exam. They will click on the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire icon here, and then they will be able to play the game. Let's play this game. Here's an example. Most early civilizations were led by religious leaders. This government is called a theocracy. Of course, just as the regular Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game, students have the options of eliminating answer choices, 50-50, or asking the audience.